and welcome to the Florida State University's Office of Admissions Self-Reported Student Academic Record, or SSAR, linking tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to link your SSAR to your Florida State University application for admission. Let's get started. To begin, you will first need to make sure you have submitted an application to FSU. If you have not yet begun your application, you can utilize the Common App or the FSU institutional application available at admissions.fsu.edu. After you have submitted your application, you will be emailed a link to your application status check page. If prompted, create your login and then navigate to the Self-Reported Student Academic Records section. Click on the Submit Your SSAR button, which will direct you to the FSU SSAR website. If you have already created an SSAR or SRAR, you can link it to your FSU application by logging into your account here. Once it has been linked, please note that it can take up to 24 hours for Florida State University to receive it. If any additional information is needed, you will receive an email from the Florida State University Office of Admissions. If you have not yet created an SSAR, you will first need to complete it by entering all your coursework information exactly as it appears on your official transcript. For detailed information, tips, and frequently asked questions regarding course entry, please visit admissions.fsu.edu/first-year/SSAR. Once your coursework information has been entered, navigate to the Review and Submit tab. Here, you will need to read the important notice at the top and then give the information listed a thorough review. When you have confirmed all your entered information is correct, you will select the Submit button to finish your SSAR and link it to your Florida State University application. Once the SSAR has been submitted, please allow up to 24 hours for Florida State University to be linked. You can check the status of your SSAR by logging into your FSU application status check. Once the SSAR has been successfully linked, you will see a green check mark next to the application checklist item. Additionally, the Self-Reported Student Academic Record box will update to give you the option to update your SSAR rather than submit your SSAR. Thank you for viewing this SSAR linking tutorial video. If you are still in need of additional assistance, please check out our SSAR FAQ at admissions.fsu.edu/first-year/SSAR. And as always, if you have any questions or concerns while completing your SSAR and FSU application, please get in contact with the Office of Admissions. We can be reached via phone at 850-644-6200, via email at admissions@fsu.edu, or via social media. We look forward to reviewing your application. Go Noles!